Hey there, smart buyers! Welcome back to your favorite channel, Buy Smart, where we help you avoid the buyer's remorse trap. Today, we're diving into a battle of the mops. On my left, we have the Shark S5003D Genius Steam Mop, and on my right, the Bissell SpinWave Cordless Pet Hard Floor Spin Mop. Who will reign supreme in the world of floor cleaning? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about the dollar bills. The Shark Genius is priced at $129, while the Bissell SpinWave comes in a little higher at $154. Reviewers mention that the Shark is a great value for its cleaning power and features, making it worth the price, especially when compared to other mops. On the other hand, Bissell's higher price is justified for pet owners who need a reliable cleaner for everyday messes. So, if you're on a budget, Shark's got your back, but if you've got a pet, maybe you're saying, what's a few bucks for Fluffy's happiness? Now, let's splash into water tank capacity. The Shark holds a respectable 220 milliliters, which is appreciated by users for its efficiency during cleaning. However, the Bissell, designed for cordless freedom, has a smaller tank. Reviewers note that while the Bissell's tank is limited, it's still effective for quick cleanups, making it ideal for households with pets or kids. If you're planning on mopping an entire football field, you might want to consider a refill strategy. Next up, let's get techie. The Shark features a genius head with direct steam channeling, which has been praised by reviewers for breaking up stubborn stains effectively. Meanwhile, the Bissell is all about that powerful, spin-in mop pad action, which users love for making cleaning feel like a dance party for your floors. Who knew cleaning could be so groovy? Time to scrub a dub-dub. The Shark comes with double-sided dirt grip washable pads, allowing users to flip it for more cleaning power. Reviewers highlight this feature as a major plus, making it easy to tackle different messes. The Bissell offers a selection of soft touch and scrubby pads, which users appreciate for their versatility depending on the mess. So whether you want to pamper or punish your floors, both mops have you covered. Let's talk runtime. The Shark is plugged in and ready to steam as long as you've got a power outlet, which is a huge advantage noted by many reviewers. In contrast, the Bissell operates on an 18 volts lithium-ion battery, giving you 20 minutes of cordless freedom. Reviewers mention that, while the battery life is a downside, it's still enough for quick cleaning sessions before the pets make a mess again. Now, the Bissell has a fancy on-demand spray feature, which reviewers love as it allows them to target specific areas that need extra cleaning. In contrast, the Shark simply steams away, which some users say feels like it's auditioning for a horror movie with its powerful steam. Both methods have their fans, but the targeted spray of the Bissell seems to give it an edge for precision cleaning. In summary, the Shark S5003D Genius Steam Mop is praised for its affordability, effectiveness, and versatility. Reviewers highlight its steam power and ease of use, making it a fantastic option for various floor types. The Bissell SpinWave Cordless Pet Mop, while slightly more expensive, is celebrated for its cordless convenience and ability to handle everyday messes, especially in homes with pets. However, it does face criticism for its shorter battery life. So what's the verdict, smart buyers? If you're all about that steam life and want a mop that's ready to tackle any mess with a genius head, the Shark S5003D is your mop. But if you're looking for cordless freedom and a mop that makes you feel like you're in a dance-off, the Bissell SpinWave is your buddy. Remember, whichever mop you choose, make sure it fits your lifestyle. And if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a comparison. Until next time, keep buying smart and dancing on those floors.